Hi everyone, I am Sangamitra Jana of class 12 Science from Ramakrishna Mission School, Alo, Arunachal Pradesh. We are really experiencing an excruciating period now. Getting pessimistic is quite normal and natural in this hour of intense anxiety. But to eradicate the negativity, I have sought to help to the ideas now I am going to share with you all. The once fast moving world has come to a halt. The hustling bustling has stopped as the great and intelligent species of this earth is now under home confinement. Schools have been closed, offices and markets shut, and the economy fallen to its lowest since the Great Depression. And the reason behind all this is an electron microscopic figure, the SARS CoV 2 virus, causing a communicable severe respiratory ailment called COVID 19 disease, which has claimed more than 1 lakh fresh lives and is preparing to feast on some more. Recently, there is no vaccine against the disease, which spreads like wildfire and whose fatality rate is 3.4% more than common flu. So, the only way to control the spread of the virus is self-isolation. Almost all the countries of the world has entered into lockdown to curb the transmission of the virus. On 24th March, the Government of India too implemented a nationwide lockdown for 21 days, limiting the movement of the 1.3 billion people of India as a preventive action against the global pandemic. With the changes of time and the number of infected people increased, the lockdown is getting extended as we don't have other means to battle this excruciating hour of contagion. Although it may be frustrating to stay indoors with normal routine disrupted, livelihood shrunk, news of death from all over the world, etc., but at the same time, it should be noted that India's success in containing the pandemic till now is due to the nationwide lockdown. Otherwise, it could have crossed USA and Italy in both infection rates and death tolls. One must always be optimistic and hope for the best. This lockdown is giving people the opportunity to work on their hobbies, interests, etc., to spend time with their families, etc. The lockdown has also brought down the pollution levels, but it is equally important to avoid alcohol, drugs, tobacco, etc., with which some people are addicted to reduce their anxiety, depression, and boredom. These toxic substances reduce the capability to deal with stress, anxiety, depression, etc. It also reduces immunity. So, instead of looking at the death tolls, people should look at the number of persons cured of the disease. We must accept the situation and carry on doing what is in our control and letting go of what is not in our control. We must keep in mind that this lockdown is necessary and that we are serving the humanity and helping to prevent the disease. As said by H.W. Longfellow, a great part of the happiness of life consists not in fighting battles but in avoiding them. A masterly retreat is in itself a victory. Although the war here is against an unseen enemy, but still we can retreat it and reach to the zenith by following some simple but life-saving measures. Thank you for your patience, wish you good health and please adhere strictly to the guidelines issued by our government.